no matter how big the battery of your iPhone is. It will eventually die. The fact that they have life cycles also means that over time the level of performance starts to drop and they don't last as long as they used to while they were new. Our charging habits sometimes contribute to a faster drop in the performance of these batteries. On this video, we are going to tell you some common charging habits to avoid and other to improve iPhone's battery performance. In order not to miss out any video like this from us, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so as to be notified when we upload a new video. Now let's start with the first thing you should avoid when charging your iPhone. 1. Charging overnight. Sometimes we use our phones late at night. After that we would plug it on charge and go to sleep, allowing it to charge overnight. But we never think about what happens to the battery after it hits 100% without fast charging. It doesn't take more than 8 hours for an iPhone battery to fully charge. Each iPhone battery has a specific charging limit. Charging your iPhone all night long constantly charges your phone's battery and weakens it over time. The temperature also rises. This weakens the battery, reducing the maximum amount of power it can store. The excess heat can even cause the battery to explode with the phone. 2. Charging and gaming. We all love to play games on our smartphones, and sometimes they can be addictive and hard to resist. But what you need to understand is that, since games now come with advanced graphics and special effects, they require more power and put pressure on your iPhone's battery. When you charge and play at the same time, you put extra pressure on your battery. In addition, the short charge and discharge cycles cause it to overheat. Overheating can cause the battery to explode or negatively affect battery life. 3. Charging with a protective cover on. Charging your iPhone, it gets a little warmer, and this is because batteries emit heat during charging. So it is advisable to remove the phone cover before charging it so that the heat released while charging can dissipate into the atmosphere. Heat is the biggest enemy of batteries, and it's important to avoid exposing your iPhone's battery to temperatures above 35 degrees. Anything higher will compromise your iPhone's battery. We are waiting for your opinion about this in the comments section. If you found this video useful, give it a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching.